Hey, what's going on? If you want to get a complete system that makes melting fat easy and is 100% automated, then I want you to go to the link that's on the bottom of your page right now. YouTube doesn't let me make that link clickable, so you're actually gonna have to type it into your browser, or I also put the copy of the link in the description, so you can click on that or type it into your browser. All right. For now, enjoy the video, and after you're done with this video, make sure to go to that link to get a complete fat melting system.
We're going to get into another advanced technique. You're going to be able to do this. So it's pistol squats, right? Pistol squats, one leg squat all the way down, all the way up. You're going to build balance, tons of functional strength because you have to balance at the same time going down with one leg. You're going to really bulk up, shreds up those muscles because you're pushing a lot of weight with just one leg. So demonstration, keep my back straight, butt down. I come down and then I come back up. All right, you want to be all the way on your heel. At first you're losing balance or something of that nature, like you're going down and you're falling around, up, get balance, and then back up. That's fine, all right? But if you're really falling over, you can use something to help you. And if you can't get back up by yourself, you can use something to help you. So I'm gonna use a bar right here. We can use anything. I'm gonna use it as a spot. I grab, I go down. So I need help. I can pull up. I keep my balance. I go up. Very important that you keep your heel on the ground. If you do it like so, my knee's forward, puts a lot of pressure on your knee. This is how I do it with a heel on the ground. My knee is still over my ankle, and I fire up through my heel. So I'm going through all these muscles right here into my glute, so I get nice jacked legs, so we can feel the burn.
Hey, real quick, one more thing before you go. I want to make sure you know that there is no correlation between how hard you work and how much fat you melt or how much muscle you build. All right? There's enough science, enough data out there that there's absolutely no correlation between hard work and results. All right? There's a difference between movement and achievement. All right? If you want to learn my best tips, what I call the 5% hacks that allow you to get maximum results, maximum fat loss, maximum lean muscle gain, I want you to go to the link that's on the bottom of this page, or you can click on the link in the description. All right, you're going to get a complete system for melting fat in an intelligent and streamlined system. I'll see you there.